What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to restore default icons in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open quick settings panel and from here click on this settings icon and then scroll down and click on themes. Now in themes, click on this menu icon and from here click on my stuff and then go to the icons tab. Now from here choose the first icon style. So first icon style is always the default icon style, so tap on it and then tap on apply and then the default icon style will be restored. So that's how you can restore default icons in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.